This is Rebecca from Papeterie de Choix, and welcome to the unboxing of the journal that I won from Sara-Lee Armstrong. And I know that she's already put the video of the flip through on her channel, so I won't do all of that, but I wanted to film the unboxing because this is such a special thing that has happened. So I have already taken the shipping label off of it, and I have opened it this far just to check and make sure everything was alright on the inside, because this has come from New Zealand to South Carolina, USA, and so I just wanted to make sure everything was fine. So the first thing that we have is a package on the inside here, and I'm going to move this box over to the side, and she has packed it very, very, very well. And I'm going to, before I do that, let me just see if the tape will come up. I don't think it's going to, so I'm going to, oh wait, here we go. Well, there is some bubble wrap here that I can use on my jelly plate. Yay! Oh wow, look at this. I think I'm going to have to go down a little bit more. Up through there. Enough that I can get it out. Yes, here we go. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Okay, I think this is the front. Yes. And she's got this really pretty piece of lace on the front. Oh, I love lace. I have more lace than I'll ever use in my lifetime, but I love it. So thank you so much for this piece of really super sweet lace. And then we have a little sticker. I'm trying to be very gentle because, oh look, it comes right off without taking the paper with it. Well, maybe I spoke too soon. It's okay. Okay, so there's that. Wow, look at this. I cannot believe that she held it in her hands and now I'm holding it in mine. This is so beautiful. Okay, so y'all know that I was going to give this to my mother for her birthday. In May, she will be 77. And there was one of the pieces of ephemera in here that had her birthday on it, which is why I commented in the first place. So what I have done is I have printed her name in a really nice little font here. And I probably will have to trim this down just a little bit more. But what I wanted to do was put my mother's name on it. And I'm going to be as precise as I possibly can be for this space that Sarah has left here. And I really should be using a trimmer for this, but I don't know that I have one that could trim this down as much as I need it without taking up a lot of room here on this, on my little filming spot here. So I will get there, I promise. So Alright, one more trim and I think I will have it. Just a tiny bit right here on this corner. Okay, now I'm going to ink this little thing here. My mother's name is Legina. She was born in 1948 in a tiny little town called 6 Mile, South Carolina. She and 3 more of her siblings, one of which passed away as an infant. My mother is the oldest daughter, but the 4th child of her parents. And her youngest sister, child number 13, was born 2 years before me in 1964. Now, unfortunately, she has since passed away, but my mother's mother, whose name was Nellie, passed away 9 days after Holly was born. So my mother ended up having to be a mother to some of the younger siblings because Holly was 9 days old. The next one up was 2 years old, then 4 years old. There. So, now, my mother, or Mama as I call her, is the only girl whose hair is still jet black. If you look at her from across the room, you cannot see any gray, only if you get really, really close up. But her youngest siblings, all of her sisters that are still living, are all snow white. So, this is the sweetest thing. So I am going to be giving this to my mother. I am going to try my best to film it, but we'll see. We'll see how that works out. My mother, her birthday usually falls on or very close to Mother's Day. I don't know if I'm going to wait that long. I might give it to her the next time I visit. Her and my dad live 3 hours north of me in the next state up. But anyway, thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you so much for the opportunity to have this. And yeah. I will link her video to the flip through of this in the description of this video. So thank you all very much for watching this very special occasion, and I'll see you again soon.